little bit intoxicated right now. And we're about ready to do the new alarm clock.
Just a little bit intoxicated.
And the new alarm clock is going, "Aye!" So we're about ready to go do this to Wild Improvement and see what the fuck happens.
Okay. You must be gay.
You must be gay. Because you're about ready to get woke the fuck up.
Other way. On that note,
Yo, what the fuck? She's naked, man. Get that fucking camera out of there, Corey.
Hey,
Get up and fucking break it.
pissed.
Hey, she's covered up. You're the one.
You're the one that's fucking
showing.
Nice belt buckle. Good
And there it
turnout.
was. There's the new alarm clock. You see, it works effectively even if you're naked.
So next time you hear a "Hey!" get the fuck up.